To get started, first, press on the extension. You have 5 functions available in this extension. We will use extract stores. As you can see, we extracted the stores in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down and press Show More. As you can see, the more we scroll down, the more items we extract. Let's try it one more time. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-scroll for you and add the items to the list. So, let's try it. And there you go. We extracted all the items in this list. Now, to export this, press on the extension. Then, press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here is all the information we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say we want to get the reviews of this store. So, let's press on it. Then, go to Reviews. Then press Show More. Now press on the extension. As you can see, Extract Store Reviews is now available. So, let's press on it. Now, press Add to Export List. Then, to export this, again, press on the extension. Then press Export. After exporting, here is all the information we extracted.